The freebie is one of the most crucial components of your value ladder. It's the first step in turning your followers into paying customers. But you might be wondering, why give away something for free? Here's why. A freebie is an essential tool for pulling people into your world, building trust, and ultimately guiding them through the journey toward purchasing your paid offers. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why you need a freebie as the first step in your value ladder and how to use it strategically to start building relationships and growing your list. What is a freebie and why does it matter? At its core, a freebie is something you give away for free in exchange for something valuable from your audience. Their contact information, usually their email address. The idea is to offer value upfront so you can start nurturing your audience and eventually sell them your paid products or services. A freebie is the entry point into your value ladder. It allows you to introduce your brand and give value without asking for anything in return. Capture leads, email addresses, for example, that you can nurture and turn into long-term customers. Build trust with your audience so that when you do offer your paid products, they feel comfortable investing. By starting with a free offer, you're removing the risk for your audience. They get to experience your expertise and the value you provide without having to make an immediate purchase decision. This makes it much easier for them to take that next step when you offer your entry-level paid product. How to create a freebie that attracts your ideal audience. Now, let's talk about how to create a freebie that actually pulls people in and makes them want to take the next step with you. 1. Solve a specific problem. Your freebie needs to solve a real problem your audience is facing. It should be focused on providing quick wins and immediate value. Don't try to create a catch-all freebie that's too broad. The more specific you get with the problem you solve, the more likely people will want to download it. Example: if you teach people how to build their online businesses, your freebie might be a 5-step guide to starting your online business. If you help people with Instagram marketing, a free Instagram content calendar could be super valuable to your audience. 2. Focus on one problem and offer a solution that is simple and actionable. 3. Make it easily consumable. Your freebie should be easy to consume. If it's a massive ebook or a long video, it's less likely people will follow through and engage. Aim for something short, actionable, and easy to consume in a short amount of time. Examples of consumable freebies: PDF guides, checklists, templates, mini courses, 2 to 3 lessons. These are all things your audience can consume quickly and apply immediately. 4. Ensure it's aligned with your paid offers. The freebie should be relevant to your paid offers, but not necessarily a direct preview of them. For example, if you're offering a full course on building an online business, your freebie could be something like a business plan template or a step-by-step guide to setting up your online shop. The key here is that the freebie should give people enough value that they get excited about the possibility of working with you, but leave them wanting more and ready to move on to your entry-level offers. How to promote your freebie and attract leads. Once you've created your freebie, you need to start promoting it so that you can start generating leads. Here's how to make sure your freebie gets seen by the right people. 1. Promote in your bio. Instagram, TikTok, and most social platforms give you a single link in your bio. This is prime real estate. Make sure your freebie link is front and center in your bio. Example: click the link in bio to grab your free Instagram strategy guide. 2. And in your posts, always remind your audience to go grab it. Make sure your CTA is clear and action-oriented. 3. Use stories to drive traffic. Instagram. Stories are a great way to engage with your audience and encourage them to grab your freebie. Use story stickers, such as the swipe up, if you have the feature, or the link sticker to direct your followers straight to your freebie. 4. Create posts around your freebie. Create posts, reels, or carousels that tie directly into your freebie. For example, if your freebie is a checklist for starting an online business, you could create a post about the top 5 mistakes new entrepreneurs make and use your freebie as a solution to those mistakes. Include a clear CTA to download the freebie in your caption and make it feel urgent. Grab it now before it's gone, or limited time offer. 5. Collaborate for exposure. Another great way to promote your freebie is through collaborations. Partner with other entrepreneurs in your niche and ask them to promote your freebie to their audience in exchange for promoting theirs. What happens after they grab your freebie? Once someone downloads your freebie, that's when the nurturing begins. Here's what you should do next. 1. Follow up with a welcome email. Send a welcome email with a thank you for downloading the freebie and a quick intro to who you are and what you do. This is the perfect time to tell them more about your business and invite them to check out your paid products. 2. Nurture your list with valuable content. Your email list is your most powerful asset. Keep nurturing your subscribers with valuable content, tips, and insights that are aligned with your offers. This helps you stay top of mind and build trust over time. 3. Introduce your paid products. Once your audience has consumed your freebie and you've provided them with some value, introduce your paid offers. This could be your entry-level product, like a $27 mini course or a $47 workshop. Remember, the goal is to move them through the value ladder naturally, so they're ready for your higher ticket offers later down the line. Final tip. The freebie is your entry point. It's a low-risk, high-value way to start building your email list, growing your audience, and eventually turning them into paying customers. By offering something of value for free, you're building trust, nurturing relationships, and creating a solid foundation for future sales. The more you refine your freebie strategy, the more you'll attract the right people into your world, helping them move naturally through your value ladder and giving them the tools they need to succeed.